Hi, gang. Just wanted to walk you through how to complete the new life form Gizmos. In order for you to complete this, you want to make sure that you open your Canvas quiz because it's going to tell you step by step how to complete this assignment. And you also want to make sure that you have your Gizmos Lab open as well. In order for you to get to this Gizmos, you just log in through Clever. Look for the Gizmo symbol, which is like a blue G symbol. And then you can just open this lab. It's already been assigned to you. All right, so let's go ahead and begin. Make sure that you, of course, read the quiz instructions. We've already warmed up on the vocabulary, so let's go ahead and get started. So for number one, basically what you are doing is you're going to change all of these abiotic variables and see how they affect your aliens. You have approximately 100 aliens in this controlled environment. Right down here is your controls to play, pause, and to reset. Always reset whenever you change all of these variables so that you can see exactly how they're going to change your aliens. Then one of the things that you're going to use the most is the bar chart. And in order for you to see how many of each alien is in this environment, you're going to click show numerical values. And it's going to tell you that you have 74 thin, 19 medium, and 7 that are thick. So for number one, you're going to change the light to 0, change the water to 1 drop, and then change your temperature to 0. And then what you're going to do is you're going to click play. And you're going to see your aliens are starting to change. Wait for it to stabilize before you get your values. And it has completely stopped. So as a result of us changing the light to 0, only having 1 drop of water and a very cold temperature, we have 90 aliens that are thick, 8 that are medium sized, and 2 that are thin. So based on this information, you can go ahead and answer number 1. Number 2, you need to reset. So click this button that says reset and start all over again. And we're going to change these variables once more. So we're going to change our light to 24 hours a day, change the water to 20 drops, and then change your temperature. We're going to max it out to 30 degrees Celsius. We're going to max everything up. And then we're going to click play to see how our aliens changed. So basically, with these variables, 90 of our aliens are thin, 8 are medium, and 2 are thick. So basically, we got the opposite effect from what we did earlier. So based off of this information, you can go ahead and click your answer. Now, based off of what you just observed, you're going to formulate a hypothesis. Is it the temperature that's causing the aliens to change? Is it the water that's causing the aliens to change? Or is it the amount of light? You want to make sure that your hypothesis is an if or then statement. So basically, these are already written out for you. You can choose one of these or you can come up with your own. And then put it right here in the discussion box. Now you're going to test your hypothesis. So what you need to do is to run controlled experiments to test your hypothesis and the other variables. And then your job for number 4 is to see which variable has the greatest effect on the alien population. So let's see. Let me change the water and see if it has any effect. Actually, let me reset first. Let me see if the water has any effect on them. Not much. I'm going to reset one more time. Let's see if the temperature has an effect on them. Okay, temperature has a great effect on them. Let's change these again. All right, let's see if the light has any effect on them. Hmm. So when I change the light, little to no effect. When I change the water, little to no effect. But when I change the temperature, it does actually have an effect on them. So let's try this one more time. Let's keep everything the same. Let's keep the light, the water, and the temperature high. When we change our water, no effect. When we change the light, no effect. When we change the temperature, they start to change. So based off of this information, it seems that it's the temperature that has the most effect on these aliens. For number 5, make an inference. Why do you think the variable in the previous question had the effect that it did? And explain your reasoning. Why do you think that temperature has the greatest effect other than water and other than sunlight? And for number 6, also make an inference. If the aliens had similar enzymes to mammals on Earth, how do you think changing the pH would affect the aliens? And explain your reasoning. Once you have completed all of these questions, you can go ahead and submit. I hope this has been helpful, and thank you so much.